For as long as humans have looked up at the night sky, one question has whispered through every generation. What would it feel like to stand on the moon? To walk where no air moves, where silence itself has a heartbeat? Tonight, I leave Earth behind. The engines rumble beneath me, shaking the bones of the ship. Through the window, our blue planet begins to fade, a soft, glowing marble surrounded by infinite black. The countdown ends, and gravity lets go. I am no longer bound to Earth. The stars are no longer dots. They're endless suns scattered through a cosmic ocean. Time loses meaning here. Every second feels stretched. Every breath feels borrowed. The hum of the engines is the only sound between me and eternity. Days pass in silence. I float through corridors lit by pale blue light. Outside, the moon grows larger, a cold silver mirror waiting patiently. Its scars tell ancient stories, impacts, craters, and shadows that never move. It is both dead and alive with mystery. As I approach, Earth's glow begins to fade behind the moon's curve. For the first time, sunlight blinds my visor. The surface gleams like powdered glass, untouched, sacred. The landing gear descends, and with a soft tremor, history repeats itself. One more human has reached the lunar desert. The airlock opens with a sigh. Silence pours in, thick, eternal, absolute. My boots touch the dust that has never known rain, wind, or sound. Each step sends slow-motion clouds floating through the stillness. No echo returns. It's as if the moon swallows every sound, guarding its secrets in endless quiet. I look up. There is no sky, no blue, no clouds, only blackness, pure and infinite. And in that blackness, the Earth hangs, small, delicate, alive, a fragile oasis floating in an ocean of darkness. It feels strange to realize that everything I've ever known, every face, every story, every song, all of it exists on the tiny glowing sphere. The moon stretches endlessly before me. Mountains rise like frozen waves, their peaks casting shadows longer than cities. The horizon curves gently, glowing silver under the distant sun. Each crater tells a tale of fire, of impact, of timeless sleep. I kneel and scoop the dust in my gloved hand. It's cold, weightless, ancient, perhaps older than the oceans of Earth. But then, something catches my eye. Deep within a crater, I see a glimmer. Faint, rhythmic, alive. Not a reflection, a pulse. I walk closer. The heartbeat grows stronger, echoing through the silence. Could it be a trick of light? Or has something been waiting here, buried beneath centuries of dust? Legends once spoke of strange signals from the dark side of the moon, transmissions that ended abruptly. Standing here, I wonder if they were never lost, only unheard. A faint vibration runs through the ground, soft like a whisper from below. I stand still, and for a moment, it feels as if the moon itself is breathing. I continue toward the horizon. Beyond the mountains lies the far side, the eternal shadow. No sunlight ever touches it. It is a place beyond time, where even machines fall silent. The temperature drops. My visor fogs slightly as I step into the darkness. Here, light bends strangely. Shadows twist as if alive. The ground sparkles faintly with particles that glow and vanish in seconds. I feel small, smaller than I've ever been. Every instinct tells me to turn back, but curiosity is stronger than fear. Suddenly, the radio crackles. A faint voice, distorted, almost human, whispers something I cannot understand. Then silence again. My heart races. Was it interference, or was it a reply? Time becomes meaningless. In this half-light, I forget the days, the hours, even my own reflection. The moon has a way of erasing you, stripping away everything but wonder. It's not loneliness that fills this place. It's awe, an awe so deep that it feels sacred. At last, I climb a ridge and stop. Before me, the entire Earth rises slowly over the horizon, half blue, half shadow, turning in graceful silence. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. A reminder that home isn't just a place, it's a miracle. As I sit there, the stars seem to move closer. For a moment, I imagine what future travelers will see. Lunar colonies glowing like tiny lanterns, glass domes reflecting Earthlight, humans walking freely beneath a sky without air.
Look at that view.
Maybe someday, we won't just visit the moon. We'll live here. We'll build dreams in its dust and call it home. But for now, the silence remains king. Each breath fogs my helmet. Each heartbeat sounds like thunder in the emptiness. The horizon glows faintly, silver turning to gray, gray to black. And somewhere beyond that blackness, the sun is rising over another world. I whisper softly.
Stabilizing.
We've come so far, yet the universe has only just begun to reveal itself. The moon is not an ending, it's a doorway, a reminder that beyond every journey, another waits. As I turn to leave, my footprints mark the ground, small, temporary, fading in slow motion. The dust rises, dances, and falls again, erasing the evidence that I was ever here. Perhaps that's how the moon prefers it, quiet, untouched, eternal. The engines ignite once more. The surface trembles. The horizon blurs. The moon begins to shrink beneath me, glowing softly like a pearl in the black sea of space. And there, ahead, Earth returns, blue and alive, calling me home. I realize something. We travel across worlds not just to explore, but to remember. To remember how fragile we are, how connected, how miraculous life itself can be. Every journey, even beyond the stars, leads back to that truth. This is Travel Tracer, and this was the moon, where silence speaks and wonder never ends.